Hello friends, I hope you all are doing okay. Today I'm going to explain a little bit about our code tool. That is the core tool behind our calls and our Forex weekly reports. Okay, so um, code data is a misused feature that you have in the market, and people can't really see the power behind of it. Uh, and I think the main reason is because it's not easy to analyze a bunch of data and to see what is good and what's not. And that's the reason that I called this tool. Okay, so first thing, uh, on this tab, triggered signals, we can see what the system is giving us this week. Okay, so right now we have four signals. All these RSI and stochastic signals, I consider it to be weak signals, not strong ones, just weak signals. But most of the times it provides us some short-term trades and sometimes good ones. Okay, so first thing we have to do is to come here and to see, for example, let's check Platinum. Okay, so we have a buy signal for Platinum, and uh, we can come here to see the charts. So this is a nice feature that we can see at a glance everything that is happening with the currency, or in this case the asset. So we can see here these head bars. This is the difference between long and shorts. Okay, the positions between between this is the this is the difference between the net positions of non-commercials and the net positions of the commercials. So we can see here for which side that the price is pushing. Okay, so right now we have a buy signal. So what does this mean? How can we interpret if this is good or it's not? First thing, we come here to the spreadsheet mode, and one thing that we must check always is the positions of the commercials. Why? Because these guys, they are the strong link in the chain. They are the ones that rules the market. The market was made for these guys. Okay, so why I'm telling you this? Because these guys, most of them, they are not interested in trading. Okay, so buy cheap and sell expensive. That's not the idea. But on the contrary, you most of the time, not to say always, you will see they trading against the trend. And why that? Why is that? That's simple. Imagine that you produce something that uses platinum. Let's say that you make cars and you need platinum to make your exhausts, and you see the price going down. What you're going to do? Of course, you're going to buy the platinum in the future, because this way you can have less cost producing it, and less cost means more profit. Okay, so when you see markets going down, you are going to see that uh, this column here for the the notch positions for the commercials, they will be increasing their short position. Okay, so how do you read this? Okay, the first thing, friends, we can see indeed that the in the beginning we saw uh, these guys. First, you can see here. Okay, so you can see here that they had a huge short position, and this position was, they cut their shorts, they cut, they start to cut. When on the start of May, end of April, okay, right here, they start adding shorts again. Okay, so this is this this place right here. I can say this is a point where the trend may change. Okay, and right now they are already starting to sell, to add to shorts, and most of the time this means that we are going to see the markets trending up again. On the other hand, uh, let's say that commercials, these are the stop signs and the go ahead signs for the markets, and the non-commercials, they are the fuel to the trend. So these guys right here, these non-commercials, big speculators, they are really interested in making profits trading. So they need to buy at 10 and sell at 15 to make some profits. So every time the market is going up, you will see these guys adding two longs, and you can see this is true right here. Okay, so the same moment right here that these guys had a huge non-commercials had a huge short positions. Okay, these guys has a huge long positions, and they start to cut as the market was going down, cut, and at the same time right here you can see that the non-commercials, sorry, that the commercials start to add into shorts, they start to add into longs. So this is a, a big signal that the market is going up. So, but as I told you, this this is not a very strong signal. So what I like to do is, and this was one thing that we discussed today on our team meeting, is wait the breakout. So let's wait last week breakout, like last week high breakout, so we can enter into the trade. Okay, so for today that's it, friends. See you again next week on with a new video explain another tool we have. Okay, and if you don't have the access to this yet and you are already a subscriber, just send me a message on Slack, and I will show you how to get your your password. This is including your subscription. Okay, and if you are not subscribed, subscribe to us. I will add the link in description of the video. Okay, friends, have a nice day. And if you need something, send me a message on Twitter and let's talk. Bye bye.